Shall we start?
Yes, madam. Welcome.
So, good afternoon to all. In this last session of certificate course on research and academic writing, organized by Vaikunta Baliga College of Law in association with Karnataka Institute for Law and Parliamentary Reforms, I, Dr. Preeti Harish Raj, Assistant Professor, consider it as my privilege to welcome all gathered here for this session. As we all know, research writing is an essential requirement in academics, and detecting the similarity index in academics writing is essential to ensure originality and uphold the academic integrity. By using advanced plagiarism detection tools, researcher can compare their work against extensive databases of published literature, identifying potential overlaps or unintentional similarities. This practice not only safeguards ethical research standard, but also enhances the credibility and authenticity of the academic outputs. So to gain more knowledge on this topic, detection of similar indirect indexes in academic writings, we have with us Dr. Venkatesh, Deputy Librarian, Manasa Gangotri, University of Mysore on this occasion. And I'm delighted to introduce Sir to the gathering. A seasoned academician with over 30 years of dedicated service in the field of library science. He is a recognized expert in academic librarianship and assistive technology. Dr. Venkatesha is a pioneer in advancing research ethics and academic integrity, having led the successful implementation of the plagiarism detection service at Mansa Gangotri. As a prolific researcher with 25 publications in esteemed journals, he has significantly enriched the field of library science. His groundbreaking doctoral research, awarded by the Mysore University in the year 2017 on the topic Use of Assistive Technology for Visual Impaired Students in Assessing Library Information, underscores his dedication to inclusivity and innovation in education. A trailblazer in technology to empower individuals and disabilities, Dr. Venkatesha has developed innovative tools to enhance accessibility to library resources. Beyond his professional expertise, he is committed mentor and an educator, fostering a culture of academic excellency and guiding the next generation of researchers. With this vision to inspire the young generation, we appreciate his dedication towards his research and his profession, and we wish him many more success. And on behalf of the management and the entire BPCL family, we extend you a heartfelt welcome. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
I also take this privilege to welcome our Principal Professor Dr. Raghunath K.S., our Director Professor Nirmala Kumari K., the coordinator of this certificate course, Dr. Jayamur P.S., and all the staff members to this session. Welcome you, sirs and madams. I extend my genial welcome to all the participants who have enthusiastically taken part in the certificate course and who have gathered here physically and virtually to this session. I welcome you all. Now, I request Dr. Venkatesh, sir, to take over the session. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam, for your nice introduction to the gatherings. First of all, I congratulate Karnataka Institute for Law and Parliamentary Reform and Vaikunta Baliga College of Law, Udupi, because in coordination with these two institutes, they are conducting a certificate course in research and academic writing. And it is a very essential and useful topic for the future academicians. Okay, thank you. But from the college side, they are giving a detection of similarity in academic writing. But I am talking more about, instead of detecting, we are most concentration to the prevention of similarity, how to reduce the similarity in academic writing. This is my topic coverage. Okay, next, today, from last 6 days, all the gatherings here, our participants learned about fundamentals of research, pragmatic edge of smart citation, act and act in the future next, and coming to the research ethics. These are the topics already discussed in last 6 days. Today, I am going to, in continuation of the discussion, my my topic related to detection of similarity index in academic writing. My screen is visible to all the audience, correct? Hello,
Yes,
madam.
sir, it is visible, sir.
Okay, fine.
Are you
See here,
sharing your
actually,
screen, sir?
sir, tell me, sir.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, already same, sir.
Screen
It
is
is
not visible, sir.
not.
Screen is not visible. Only we can see you.
No. Screen is already there, sir.
Just
once again, let's to share.
sir. Yeah, sir. We can
Got
see.
it? Got it, sir?
Yeah, sir. It is available, sir.
Yes, fine.
Okay, sir.
See here, similarity means the published data compare with the existing resources. We call it as similarity. So identify the similarity. There is so many tools in the web. Okay, that is not the problem. But our concentration as academician, as a researcher, we have to give more priority to how to reduce the similarity. That is in kind of prevention of plagiarism. So various tools available in the web. One is Turnitin, Authenticate, Urkund, Original, Drillbit. Presently, UGC uh, provides all the 12B colleges Drillbit Extreme on free of cost to all the universities. That is Drillbit Extreme. Presently, we are using in most of the universities. Now, coming to the point, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism, that Erin Mune state that plagiarism is a presenting another person's words and or ideas as your own words, ideas either deliberately or unintentionally. This is the definition given by the Mune. Next, what contents we may plagiarize? See that
Excuse me,
my
sir.
hello,
Excuse, sir.
sir.
Sir, you haven't changed the slide, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
You want previous slide?
no. Third slide. You are dealing about what is plagiarism, sir.
Yes, exactly, sir. What types of plagiarism? Text plagiarism, image plagiarism, video plagiarism, audio plagiarism. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
That we cannot see, sir.
Oh,
So you have to change your slides.
now, my
The slides are
visible.
not changing, sir.
Okay,
No, sir. It is unchanged.
unchanged.
There you find an option, a resume slideshow. If you can click on that, that will resume, sir.
This is the second slide. Are you visible, sir? Definition of the plagiarism.
No, sir.
So it is stuck with the first slide.
Now,
So there is a dialog box open, sir, called resume slideshow. You have
okay.
to click on it, sir.
One second.
Let's to withdraw that and again once again play that. So that
Sir, or you can do this, sir. You can just cancel it and restart.
Okay.
Uh,
restart the slides.
Okay, 1 minute, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Take your time, sir.
Can I restart? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I restart?
Yeah, sir.
Do reshare, sir.
Reshare it, sir. Don't restart it, sir.
Okay, okay. Now?
Yes, sir. Now we can see, sir.
Fine.
Thank
Sorry
you.
for the
No,
that.
sir. No, sir. It's okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
So
you.
now starting from definition of the plagiarism
Yes, sir.
is Erin Mooney. Plagiarism is presenting another person's words or ideas as your own. Words or ideas either deliberately or unintentionally. This is the definition given by the Mooney. So next slide is what contents you can plagiarize. Text plagiarize, image plagiarism, video plagiarism, audio plagiarism. These kind of contents you may plagiarism. Okay. To use the meaning I am going to tell you, to use another works without acknowledgement, to commit literally theft, to present as original idea derived from an existing source, changing words but retaining the ideas without giving credit to authors. So these are the meaning for further definitions of the plagiarism. So what types the researcher or academician can plagiarize the content? Blatant plagiarism, potluck paper, word switch plagiar, mosaic plagiarism, self-stealing plagiarism, ghostwriter plagiarism, resourceful citer, resourceful, full of quotations and ideas, others with acknowledgement. That is also wrong. That is also wrong. But whenever you use the someone ideas, you have to give the acknowledgement to the original author. This is how to follow. Whenever you use the quotations, whenever you paraphrase, attribute ideas to original author. See, this is the screenshot of Authenticate software. See the right side. You may multi-colors, sources and contents. You may see the multi-colors means it is not. It differentiate the sources. Red is correct. Red is not correct. Green is correct. We don't think in a such a way. See, first source one is it covers around 38% sources. A similarity, but similarity always in the top right side of the screen. So when we click on the source one, it displays the contents where exactly the researcher copied, and even time also it mentioned. What time, what is the source, how many words is taken from the source 1, that information given by source 1. So in case sometime that contents belong to the researcher and research supervisor belongs to him only, that it exclude from the similarity by the name self-plagiarism or self-stealing. In such cases, there is a provision to exclude the self-plagiarism. This is the authenticate scheme. Next, again, same software, that Turnitin and Authenticate service provided by the single vendor, both they are from UK. Turnitin also very good software, but luckily it is not useful for our local languages. It covers only English and other 30 plus languages. I will explain in the next slide. See, another one software, this is the screenshot of Urkun. Previously, this software is provided by the UGC implement. Later on, it changed to original. Now, again, it is switch over to, what is that, Drillbit Extreme. See the content here, you can observe that 100% plagiarized. The yellow color is indicate 100% the copies from the, see the right side, there is a original source right side. Left side, the researcher has copied and put it in a research work. See, this software is Viper, freely available in the net. It is that up to 20 pages a researcher can check his paper or his publications. Again, Drillbit, how the Kannada work is copied. Actually, Drillbit is regional language software. Now it, because of UGC, now it convert into another 15 languages. The Drillbit software scans up to 15 regional languages, including English. See, this is the screenshot of Drillbit Extreme. Here, see the name. Number 1 is Chetan, and title. Again, article, it is in English. So there is, you can observe also grammar, it presently it checks. Again, AI score and similarity. But luckily we consider the similarity only. We are not consider the AI score. This is a screenshot of Drillbit Extreme presently used by the universities. So here we have to think, ideas are free, but we have to summarize, borrow, paraphrase or copy, but use in a quotation. See the quotation mark also I used. To reduce the similarity, you have to put incitation in thesis, but in APA style. For example, one example I was already given here. See hard copy, AELE D 2005, and title, again electronic thesis, again one more author, it is an example. See how to cite in middle of the thesis or paper. See, these are the reference and citation tools. I think these styles are previously resource person already explained. Just for the information, just I use this slide, APA style, MLA style, and American Mathematical Association, Oxford System Referencing, Harvard System of Referencing, IEEE referencing style, Vancouver style. But one thing you have to follow, researcher must, when you are, suppose you are using chapter 1 APA style, again you have to use even chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 at the end. You cannot change. Sometimes you researcher APA style in first chapter, MLA style in second chapter, our software will not recognize the similarity. See, this is a very important instruction researcher is to be keep in mind. So Jotaro, EndNote, Mendeley, these are all the sources available in the web. Researcher can use for referencing. Why research scholars plagiarize? What is the intention? It may be good or bad. There must be a reason. One is lack of knowledge, poor research skill, poor expression, lack of command over language, laziness, fear of failure, lack of time for reading and understanding, pressure to publish for career advancement. This is very important. Now, UGC guidelines, APA score is very important. Associate to assistant to associate to professor. They have to publish 2 or 3 papers. These kind of activities give more pressure to the academician or the research scholar to publish. In such cases, instead of writing, they copy the content or copy the article or they copy the research literature from others and publish himself as his own. Desire to get recognition soon, to influence others. See, why the research scholar? These are the reasons research scholars copy the content and publish. Now we are talking about plagiarism detection tool. Previously I already explained the screenshot of Authenticate, Turnitin, Write Check. These are the softwares available in the web, but these are the licensed version. Licensed version, keep in mind. Except Viper, you can check. Viper is freely available in the web, and also you can scan your thesis or paper up to 20 pages at a single instance. See, among the plagiarism software or plagiarism prevention software, Authenticate is a very good software. It is my experience. Software product from iParadigm, California. Authenticate checks 3 million manuscripts annually. 15 plus million matches identifier over last 18 months. 92 plus million offline works, journals, and abstract covered. 70 plus billion web pages, 45 million items of ebooks, journals, articles, conference proceedings, and 1,15,000 journals covered. Covers, books, journals, conference, proceedings. Even doctoral thesis also it covered. Authenticate will definitely any matched document, uncited phrases, and original sources for you of the world's leading publisher currently use Authenticate. The supported languages. Authenticate supports more than 30 languages. See, English, Arabic, China, except regional languages cover most of the world languages. So it covers repository also, internet resources, cross-check. It is a big data publisher database. So it covers millions of articles. The unique the features of the Authenticate and Turnitin. So coverage is cross-check database. The matter discarded from the scanning, graphs, images, photographs will not be taken. Watermarks, light coloring leads to exclusion in the text. Similar font used for the subheading and also will not be recognized by our software. See here the question is what to include and what to exclude. This is the option given by the software vendors for the universities and also institutions. Some software, they make a filter options, exclude quotations. We can tick and see that is blank box. You can tick here, exclude the quotations. Can I exclude bibliography? exclude matches that are less than 1%. Like that, there is a filter option. And even sometimes generally we have to mention 14 consecutive words we can exclude. Here we can mention here. So what is the repercussion of plagiarism? The major consequence of the plagiarism is immediate failure of research, retraction of research paper, blacklisting of scientist institution, subject discussion forums, punishable fine in the court of law. Value of research work is questionable. Again, loss of job, revoked PhD, lawsuits, question of integrity. This is one example. Hungarian president resigned over plagiarized content. In the year 19, doctorate dissertation copied from other works. It is a newspaper news. Just I copy the slide and shown you. Again, the law professor Lawrence Tribe and Charles Regulatory have also applied in the past 2 years for failing to attribute the work of others books they are published. See here, actually there is a scheme of study. While writing a paper or while writing a thesis, you have to follow the minimum scheme. One is introduction, review of literature, methods and materials, profile of institution, publication of the research. Here, we may expect similar contents. We cannot avoid here. Out of 1 to 5 chapters, what we mention here, similar content, we expect more. So my suggestion is in the second chapter, review of literature, you can reduce the review literature and put it in your own words. It gives, you copy the maximum literature, whatever you from the citation or the net or whatever the tools you may take, no problem. At least you reduce the review of literature. Instead of 50 chapters or 30 pages, you try to write 10 to 15 pages. I think it helps to cut down the similarity. It helps to cut down the similarity. Even institution profile also. See here the major analysis and interpretation, testing of hypothesis, finding and discussion, recommendation, further scope of research, conclusion. In this part, similar content should not be excluded. See, we are not going to expect any content, even single word or single prayer should not be appear in the scheme of study. Analysis part or conclusion part or further scope of research part. Being a researcher, please keep in mind. See, a plagiarism detection tool, an opportunity for the research scholar and the research supervisor, fact finding, not fault finding mission. Rectify the statements, quotes, rectify the citation, avoid plagiarism, trace the original contents and authors, reduce the percentage of similar content, improve the originality of research. See, recently, 2000, there is a guidelines, public notice, Government of India Gazette notification 31/7/2018. So that guidelines coverage promote academic integrity, prevent plagiarism, constitute academic misconduct, includes plagiarism, falsification, fabrication of data, coverage, thesis, project work, assignment, research paper, dissertation, books. Cite the source, seek permission of the authors wherever it is necessary. This is the guidelines given by the Government of India. Exclusion, quoted information with attribution, included information with permission, reference, bibliography, preface, table of contents, acknowledgement, glossary of terms, all generic terms, laws, acts, standards, symbols, and equations, up to 14 consecutive words, small matches, or summary abstract you may exclude. But actually, software will take care of all these things. See, there is some penalty for the even researcher and the research supervisor. 0 to 10%, 1 to 10%, and 2 to 4%. This is the guidelines given by the UGC guidelines given by the Government of India. Research publication penalty 0 up to 10% minor similarity, no penalty. 1 to 10% to 40% shall be asked to withdraw the manuscript. Level 2, 40% to 60% shall be asked to withdraw the manuscript. Deny the right to one annual increment. Shall not be allowed to supervise any master, MPhil, PhD student, scholar for a period of 2 years. This is level 3. Above 60% shall be asked to withdraw the manuscript. Deny right to 2 successive annual increment. Shall not be allowed to supervise any master, MPhil or PhD student, scholar for a period of 3 years. If benefit is already extended, it has to be kept pending till the decision of IA, Institutional Academic Integrity Panel. This is the panel constituted by the. So ways to avoid plagiarism. See, we have to, in your research work or paper publications, you have to paraphrase. So you have to found the information that is perfect, your research paper, read it and put it into your own words. Make sure that you do not copy verbatim. If you do use same sentences or words together, you will have to use quotation marks. Even citation also helps to reduce the similarity. You have to proper citation. Already explained, various styles are available in the website, MLA, ALE. You can continuously use one citation. In even RepMe and CiteMe, there is a free tool available in the web. You can also make use of that citation for your research purpose. Here quotations, but according to our drill bit extreme software, only 50% quotation should be used. Beyond that, we are not supposed to use the quotations. Once beyond that, suppose the researcher use 20% or 25%, in such cases, software will give the alert message. So researcher use the more than 20% quotation in his thesis. It not disclose the similarity, just gives alert message. Keep in mind, you have to use only within 15%, I think, safer side to your research purpose. Again, citing your own material, it is also comes under the self-plagiarism. There is a provision to reduce the, exclude the self-plagiarism. So before submission of PhD thesis, you have to publish 1 or 2 papers to the leading journals. In such cases, mostly the research content of your thesis is included in the paper, no problem. It will be excluded from the thesis plagiarism. We exclude in the heading of self-plagiarism, no problem. Researcher will shape. Thank you. This is all about prevention of plagiarism, citation, and similarity index. But my one sincere suggestion to the most of, I think, in the Baliga Law College, I think 20 plus researcher are they are working in the research. I heard about from Madam Jaimala. But researcher here, before submitting your thesis, please see the website of your institution or university institution's website. So follow the guidelines. It definitely helps you. Most of the researcher, they are not read even institution website or university website, what plagiarism guidelines available in the website. This is the major drawback because researcher work, they put for 1 to 5 years or 7 years hard work. For a matter of 5 minutes to 10 minutes, they have to spare the web announcement or the guidelines announced in the web. They have to follow. It helps for their research submission or thesis submission. This is all about similarity and plagiarism and cite what I am saying to that prevention of plagiarism. If from the audience, anything to discuss with me, please, floor is open to you.
So thank you, sir. Participants, you can unmute and ask the question. Sir, in the chat box, we have 3 questions, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, 1 second, madam. Oh, yes, madam.
Sir, one of the participant has asked a question. It is in the chat box. May I read the question, sir?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
So his question is, if I use AI and my AI scores are about 20% or more, but my plagiarism is 0, can I be awarded PhD?
Definitely, because as of now, there is no guidelines for AI. But actually, I was shown that one is Grammarly, another one is AI, another one is similarity index. Again, I will show that, repeat the screen, no problem. But here, at present, UGC guidelines clearly told that we have to consider only similarity as of now. But we are expecting in future AI score should be they fix the tolerance limit for AI score also. Sir, I am clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Say in future, definitely UGC, under the UGC guidelines, they fix the tolerance limit for AI also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, I am clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, at present, we are considering only similarity, the last column of the software in drill bit extreme.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how many researchers in your institution?
In
20
our-
plus. Madam told 20 plus.
At present, 3 faculties are doing their research, sir.
Okay.
But,
But your submission is to Mangalore University, is it right, madam?
no, sir, it is in different universities. Most of them are doing from Karnataka State Law University and Karnataka University, Dharwad, sir.
Okay.
So nearly 4 to 5 people have been awarded with doctorate, and 3 people are pursuing their research, sir, from my institution.
Sir,
Okay, fine, madam.
just want to
But
clarify.
most of in Karnataka, in almost our university, we are following the drill bit extreme. Of course, now it coverage UGC implement thesis also. Now it gives a very good software. Very good software. Even research cannot copy the contents from the implement. So the Ganga text should not be copied here. If suppose the researcher copied the content from Swada Ganga, definitely they caught by the drill bit extreme.
Great, sir. 1 minute. I just want to clarify that I said almost 20 research scholars are participating from different parts. That is what I said.
Okay.
Ours is a UG college, so that we have almost 5 teachers are already got PhD, awarded PhD, and 3 are doing, at present 3 are doing PhD.
Nice, madam. Yes, please.
ಏನು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತೇನಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
Participants, kindly mute yourself, because this is a very informative session. So if you have any doubts, you can just unmute and clarify your doubts.
Please.
Sir, I think you were very much clear with your topic, sir, and it was a very needed topic for the present time, because I think there's one more
Session.
Sir, another
Sir,
question.
sir,
Okay.
tell me, sir.
Another question is, can AI be used as language improving instrument?
No, sir. It is not a language instrument, but you can use Grammarly, sir. Instead of AI, there is a tool Grammarly.
Okay, sir. Okay,
It is
sir.
available in the web. You can check Grammarly. But even our what is the drill bit extreme identify the grammar also. Most of our thesis grammar is 90%. 90% is a good grammar. We cannot expect 100% from the researcher. So 90 plus 80 plus is a very good grammar used in his thesis writing.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, another question is there.
Please, sir.
Sir, his query is, sir, like you have mentioned that UGC guidelines allows up to 10% of plagiarism.
Correct.
Why does Mysore University allows up to 30% of plagiarism? Why is that distinction?
It is not a distinction. Actually, I was mentioned IAIP, that is Institutional Academic Integrity Panel. Based on that panel decision, we are using. But now you are going to reduce it because there is a committee. As of now, use 30%. In future, actually, we are not supposed to, tolerance limit will not be 30. There is a panel discussion is going on now because we have to adopt UGC norms also because we are comes under the 12B section. Yes, please. Hello. Hello. Yes, please.
I think you have cleared most of our doubts, sir. It
Oh,
was
yes, madam. Yes, madam.
needed
Yes.
session for the day, sir. Now for the students as well as the research scholars also who have gathered here in a hybrid mode. Sir, thank you for accepting our invitation and giving us a knowledge regarding similarity index. Sir, on behalf of the management, the college and organizing committee, we extend you a heartfelt gratitude, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam.
A
Thank you,
very
madam.
wonderful session.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. So I would like to thank the participants also for being in tune with this session. So we all know that we'll be moving on with the valedictory session of the certificate course in a few minutes. So probably you can stay with us. So within 10 minutes, we will move on with the valedictory session. So I request Amok Gadkar sir, Assistant Professor, to take over the stage for the valedictory session, which will be commenced in 10 minutes. So participants kindly be tuned with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was really wonderful session that we did.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.